have a little car they said. Like, it'll be fun, they said. Good morning.
Good morning?
Good morning. It's morning. Is it morning? It's morning.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes. Where's an oil change?
On what?
On my Rsx. We got the rampies all set and ready.
You just speak a little louder.
Rampies all set and ready. Yeah. Put it up the ramps. Drain the oil. Put in water. So the engine runs better. The more you know.
No sabe manejar.
We got
Hold up.
the OL. OL filter. And back. OL and height. Bumper.
Almost came off.
Almost came off. We're okay. Hopefully we got some zip ties. Tragic moment. Hood open.
Okay. It's enough with the sarcasm.
Hood open. Battery. So yeah. So then you gotta open this cap. The cap.
Ew, why'd you smell it?
It smells burnt. This thingy.
What is it?
Put in OL. To pour the oil in it. And then we get this thing to clean models. Oh, almost forgot. We get this thing clean the filter.
Oh, so you don't replace the filter?
No, because it's not a regular filter. It's the race car driving filter. Yeah. So you just wash it.
Oh, wait.
So. Time to get down and dirty. Like, have a little car they said. Like, it'll be fun, they said. Oh, gee.
The oil is going to land in your face, sir.
No, it's okay.
Babe, the pin is not even, like, close to where it needs to be.
I'm professional, don't worry.
I guess.
I guess.
Babe, it's not gonna... There you go. Not even then.
Can you pass me un papel? Yeah. Get ready. You ready? It'll be fast. We go down that way more. Perfect. Oh shoot, it's dripping.
It's dripping off your hand.
Oh no. Oh. Put that there. Finally got it in first time.
Hip hip hooray.
Good thing it's an old shirt. Now we plug it back up. And then we tighten it. Real tight. Get things you filter, which is I forgot where it was. Because it's up here. I hate this thing. I really do. Okay, let's see. Oh! Yeah, I'd advise you move the camera. It's going to get real messy down here.
Why?
Because it's going to splatter everywhere. So
R.I.P. camera cannon.
Camera cannon. R.I.P. camera cannon. Okay. Hold. Wait, move it here. Get that there. Put that on that side. Okay, we should be good. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh no! It's dripping on. What the heck? Why is it coming out from 3 different places?
Because it just makes sense. Why not come out from one? No. Come out from all 3.
No.
Because Honda just likes it to make it real easy for us, yeah. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Oh. There we go. Yeah, the rubber's still on it. That's good. We'll just put that here.
Why'd you buy it at Walmart?
Because it's cheaper there.
Well, still.
I mean, you can buy the same thing for Walmart, $20. That was $20. At AutoZone, it'll be 40.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I was like, why pay 40 for something you get for 20?
Wait, why are you putting it on top of each other like that?
To make sure it's the same size.
Oh, okay.
On the old filter, you have to make sure that the rubber thing is still on there.
What happens if it's not?
Then once you turn on the car, oil will be shooting out of there.
Oh no.
Then you have to lube this rubber one
With oil?
with oil. So that this sits pretty good.
That's so gay.
What happened? You're getting oil.
Mm-hmm.
You're here for oil change? Okay, well, it's still dripping. Put this thing back in.
Then at the next oil change, you won't know how to take it. You will be struggling to take it off.
Exactly. Oh,
What happened?
that's real hot.
What is?
The exhaust.
R.I.P. Aruk.
R.I.P. Is this even? No, this thing's cold. Don't like burn me. My hand. Oh, I see.
What was?
It was the exhaust.
Your veins are popping out of your head.
Gonna double check. Don't over too tighten it because you will break it. Just like that. Oh my god. Can you pass me the brake cleaner?
Hmm?
Can you pass me the brake cleaner? Now we fill it up with some more oil. It takes all 5 quarts. So I just put the whole thing in here. And call it a day. Yeah. Want to pour it?
Yeah. How much though? The whole thing? Okay. This is not heavy.
This is heavy for me. Leave me alone. I'm a skinny person.
Hey, you told me not to leave me in the car. I'm scared.
Should be
I
fine.
think I'm too short because I can't like. So what? How do I'm confused.
Then angle it.
Just like that?
Yeah, but angle it like that.
Oh. Sorry.
Why don't you angle it the other way so this is coming that way? There we go. Much better.
So I'm confused. How much
Come on,
oil
go.
do you pour
All
at
of
a
it.
time? But you just said it's gonna overfill.
But don't pour too much at a time.
So how much is too much? That's my question.
Until once you see it overfilling.
But I can't see it from here.
Just look at the cone.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna pour very little. But I don't see anything through the cone.
Then keep going. Okay, you'll be fine. Just
Wait,
keep
I feel like I'm
going.
too far away.
No, you're fine.
No, babe, like I can't reach.
You're fine.
I'm not as tall as you. Like your whole body goes over this. Like I'm literally on my tippy toes. What if you lower the car?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I have to turn the car on. There's no oil in the engine.
Yeah, the little bit that I just put.
Okay.
Okay.
Just keep pouring another
It's
city.
hurting my back, that's why. I'm not like, I'm scared to lean on your car, and then I'm scared to not.
I mean, it's fine. It's not gonna roll back.
How do you know when it's overfilling?
When the cone starts to get up,
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
yeah. When it starts rising up in the cone.
Ah, why is it dripping like that?
Dripping where? Oh no.
It just dripped onto your...
Oh no. And it's dripping onto my bumper too.
Sorry.
OMG.
It's because I think I'm too short. I can't reach.
Okay, do you want to swap?
How about I just do it like this? Do I have to hold that?
Yeah, because or else it's gonna fall out.
How do you know?
Look how flimsy it is.
But I don't think it'll fall out.
Yes, it will if you like. It will easily move.
Let's see.
Babe, do not. Oh my God, do not. No. Oh, my, babe. Oh.
Hey, you're the one who wanted me to do it.
Real switch. Real switch. Real switch. Oh.
Is it bad if you get oil on other parts of your car?
It'll start smoking because it's burning the oil. Here we go.
Don't put on my face.
Okay, take 2.
But why does it do that?
Because you keep pulling out too fast.
What do you mean pulling out too fast?
Like you're not pouring everything, so it will drip from the side.
Because you told me it's gonna overflow. That's why I don't want to do it de solo tampoco. You're confusing me. Pick one.
Just pour it in there.
Okay. And if it overflows, no me digas nada. Porque feo.
But your arm's shaking. You said it wasn't heavy. Oh,
It's not. I'm shaking because I'm scared. It's leaking from over there.
Where?
Like I keep seeing something drip right here. Oops.
It's from that. It's the bottle. G. OMG.
What?
OMG.
What is OMG?
OMG. It's OMG. Oh my G. Oh my God. OMG.
It's hot out here.
No.
No, stop showing my face.
It's dripping. OMG. Come on, just pour it in
I
there.
need... My hand is oily.
But there. There, now pour it in.
I'm scared. It's because you make me nervous the way you explain things.
Just pour.
It's like when you teach me how to drive your car, you scare me because you're like...
Exactly. Now pour. Oh no, not you Johnny.
Why do y'all want to be mechanics? This shit is boring and annoying. I'm kidding.
Gee, OMG. This thing is definitely going to need a wash after. Just a quick hose down.
If you're trying to occupy my day, just say that.
I
I
will.
got things to do and you know this.
OMG.
First it was, oh, you want to I gotta do this today. I gotta do my oil change. Okay.
Okay.
And now it's, oh, I'm gonna wash my
On the car with this. Blah, 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 blah,
And then you
blah,
wanna
blah.
wash my car,
My car,
and then you
don't
wanna
wash
wash the
the
Eclipse.
Take 365.
Can't believe you thought I was so weak I couldn't hold this.
Your arms were shaking. You were like,
Cause I was nervous. You scare me. When you explain things, you explain them with like, you over exaggerate things and I get scared.
oh no. Okay, that should be good.
You said they did drip all out. So
Okay, it should be good.
You must be weak because you said this was heavy to do while holding that. So that means you're the one who struggles to pour oil while holding the funnel.
Yeah.
Not me.
Not you.
That was easy peasy lemon squeezy.
What are you doing? Stop it. Oh, turn it on.
No, you.
No. I'm not gonna reverse out of here. I just want to see to check the oil.
Okay, here, grab the camera. Fine, I'll just leave it in
What's
here.
all that?
Where?
Where's that puddle of oil come from?
What puddle of oil? There is no puddle of oil.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
you'll be fine.
You're good.
Okay, this is oil. Let's see how much the oil is.
How do you check that?
With the oil stick.
Mm.
Maybe. Let's see.
Looks like there's nothing in there.
Exactly. That's a little problem. Did you pour the oil in there?
No.
Oh no, you didn't. Oh
No,
my
I
goodness.
poured it out here.
Let's give it a moment. Because it's also at an angle. It also changes the. If it's like empty or not.
What do you mean?
The car's at an angle. It's not gonna be like.
Ah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe get on the flat surface.
It's also at an angle, no? It's like downhill a little. I mean, it's fine. I know if you put all 5, it's fine.
If what?
If you put all 5, it's fine.
All 5 what?
Gorgeous. Now let's see.
Still looks like nothing.
I mean, it's not the first thought. I see it at the first thought. But this one I see.
It doesn't go
right
up there.
Let's wait a little longer. Only took us 2 hours. A 10-minute job, but 2 hours at least. 2 hours.
No, I thought I stepped over it.
So this can go in the trash.
Trash. Trash.
So I'm standing like this. Video done. Oil change finito. And then I'll see you in a week with another problem.